हम B2B की बात कर रहे हैं प्रकाश, और B2B जनरली अगेन जब मैं फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट से लेकर मैक्सिमम 3 इयर्स की एक्सपीरियंस की बात करता हूं, आज भी लोग B2C की बात करते हैं, बिजनेस टू कंज्यूमर। आज भी हम यूनिलीवर और ITC के केस स्टडीज की
Right.
बात करते हैं, नथिंग रॉन्ग, बट फंडामेंटली द पॉइंट इज द बिजनेस इज मूविंग टुवर्ड्स B2B. The ecosystem is moving towards B2B as well as direct to consumer, right? जहां पे middleman सारे लोग निकल रहे हैं, right? चाहे आप टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी की बात करो या टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन कंपनी की बात करो, हम B2B और D2C में मूव कर रहे हैं। तो अगर मैं B2B की बात करूं, जहां पे जनरली सेल्स साइकिल ज्यादा माना जाता है, right? For example, suppose somebody dreams to get into Zomato, somebody dreams to get into Swiggy, like Zomato का IPO आ रहा है, I'm sure freshers would be so excited to get into a company like that where their career can go to a next level, right?
Yes.
Because it's not a regular career, then it becomes a very special career. So what are the insider secrets, if you can quickly highlight, for a B2B sales success with your experience?
Great question, Rohit. So let me give you 5 insider secrets instead of 4. Okay.
Sure.
So you have the word over here, sales, SALES.
Yeah.
Okay. The secret lies in this 5 letters only. So
Sure.
these are the 5 secrets. Any B2B sales professional who can master this, he is through. Okay. So let me give you that first secret. What is S? S stands for social. आज के जमाने में the entire world is on social. When I say social media platform.
Yeah.
Okay. You need to be savvy. You need to be skilled, qualified enough to understand the social tools, social media, and engaging the audiences on the social platform where they are hanging out right now. Okay. Post COVID, the entire scenario has changed. B2B, B2C, D2C, and so on and so forth. Everything has moved on to social.
Sure.
Okay. So social, S stands for social. The person needs to be absolutely selling socially. A stands for adaptability. Okay. If you cannot adapt yourselves to the changing scenarios, soon someone else will go ahead of you.
Sure.
तो आपको सिचुएशन के हिसाब से बदलते रहना है. अगर सिचुएशन नहीं तो सिचुएशन आपको बदल देगा.
Sure.
Okay. L stands for likability. At the end of the day, we are selling to humans. Okay. अगर मुझे आप नहीं पसंद हो तो I will never take product from you or solution from you. So I need to develop the trust, that likingness from the customers. Fourth, entrepreneur spirit. Okay. E stands for entrepreneur spirit. एक sales का बंदा ना, literally बोलता हूं मैं, he is an entrepreneur on the field. He knows his P&L. He should know his P&L. He knows his product. He knows his marketing. He knows his customer. He knows the challenges. He also knows the solution. Plus, जैसे entrepreneur के पास limited resources होते हैं, with the limited resources, he knows his challenges, but still he has to develop the revenue, bring the revenue. अगर वो mindset नहीं है, he will never be able to succeed. This is the biggest entrepreneur mindset, the thing that of all this. And last but not the least, always and always and always be solution selling. In B2B, you can't be product selling. You need to show the value. You need to show the ROI, and you need to be solution selling. So, आपने 4 पूछा, मैंने 5 दिया है. These are the 5 things. Anyone remembers this? They are home.
Perfect. I think coming from this is where the experience comes. This is where training thousands of people and making them ready. This is where it comes from, Prakash. Social media platform, adaptability, which is the new normal, likability. How do you build trust? Because you're building, not when you are selling, you are not selling a product or a service, you are selling a brand. So how do you build that trust? Entrepreneurial mindset. How can you be an intrapreneur? And that's what the whole idea is. How can you be your own boss? Because today micromanagement culture is going away slowly and slowly. In fact, more or less it's gone. It's about how do you build your own ecosystem and perform as far as the company targets or company value chain is concerned. And finally, you are selling a solution. When you sell a pizza, with the pizza, you don't sell a pizza. It's a solution also, because you are selling a solution to make that person give a wow experience. Because that's why the person is ordering a pizza with a Coke is a wow experience, and that becomes a solution at the end of the day, right? So that's how Prakash explains not 4 but 5 insider secrets of B2B sales success. Perfect, Prakash. Thank you for sharing that.